Mapping services in Indirapuram is a crucial aspect of urban planning and development. Indirapuram, a fast-growing residential and commercial area in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, requires accurate and up-to-date mapping services to support infrastructure development, traffic management, and other urban services. These mapping services play a vital role in providing valuable information about the area's land use, road networks, public facilities, and other spatial data. With the increasing population and urbanization in Indirapuram, it becomes essential to have reliable mapping services to ensure efficient and effective city management. One of the primary uses of mapping services in Indirapuram is urban planning. Detailed maps of the area help urban planners identify suitable locations for residential, commercial, and industrial developments. By analyzing the existing land use patterns and infrastructure, mapping services can assist in making informed decisions regarding zoning regulations and land allocation. This ensures proper utilization of available resources and reduces the risk of haphazard development. Additionally, mapping services provide valuable insights into the existing transportation networks, allowing planners to design efficient road systems and public transportation routes. Mapping services in Indirapuram also contribute to effective traffic management. Accurate and real-time mapping data can be used to monitor traffic flow, identify congestion-prone areas, and devise strategies to alleviate traffic issues. By integrating mapping services with intelligent transportation systems, authorities can implement dynamic routing solutions, traffic signal coordination, and real-time traffic updates for better traffic management. During emergencies such as natural disasters or accidents, mapping services play a crucial role in providing essential information to emergency response teams. Urban planning and development in Indirapuram must consider mapping services. In order to assist infrastructure development, traffic control, and other urban services, Indirapuram, a rapidly expanding residential and commercial neighborhood in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, needs precise and current mapping services. The useful information on the area's land use, road networks, public amenities, and other spatial data is provided by these mapping services, which are essential. In order to provide efficient and effective municipal management, Indirapuram's population is growing and the city is becoming more urbanized. Urban planning is one of the main applications for mapping services in Indirapuram. Urban planners can find good spots for residential, commercial, and industrial developments by using detailed maps of the area. Mapping services can help informing judgments about zoning restrictions and land allocation by examining the existing land use patterns and infrastructure. This prevents unplanned development and ensures efficient use of the resources at hand. Furthermore, mapping services offer insightful information about the current transportation networks, enabling planners to create effective road networks and public transportation routes. The efficient management of traffic in Indirapuram is further facilitated by mapping services. Traffic flow can be monitored, congested regions can be found, and solutions to traffic problems can be developed using accurate and real-time mapping data.